What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. Now, gold, as you can see, this is the 4-hour time frame, and we have seen that gold has broken the level of support again. So we might find a good trading opportunity. Before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll come back to this time frame to see how we can trade gold. Starting with the monthly time frame, what we have seen that on the monthly, as expected, as discussed in all of my analysis, that after the previous month's bearish candle, we have seen that gold started to drop. Now let's see where we can expect gold to come back. Now if you have seen that this is the monthly time frame and we say a smooth trend line, this is the level of support here on the monthly. And if you go to the weekly time frame, we can see the resistance on the weekly as well. It's very narrow. So this is where we can expect that gold to come back. As you can see today, there has been a big gap opening with the gold, and this is a nice weekly gap which also has been tested on the lower time frame as a resistance. And this is what I said in my weekly forex forecast. As if you have seen that, then smash the like button. Now what did I say? That gold is likely to test this previous weekly candle support as a resistance, and gold has done exactly as it is. Now we see that gold is melting to the downside. Now what I think, that gold will come back to this level of support here, will test this trend line as a support, both of them, and will create a bearish pattern, bullish pattern on the lower time frame, and then will start to move up. So now let's see on the daily time frame how it is doing. Now daily as well, we have seen exactly as expected, this is the area of value where there is a resistance here. In the past, on the daily time frame, there is a resistance here, there is a support here, resistance here, and now gold is trying to push to the downside on this lower time frame. So what I we can do on the lower time frame, how can you find a trading opportunity? If you go to the 4-hour time frame, what you have seen, that gold basically now has broken this dynamic level of support here. If you see, there is a support here that has been broken now. And also if you see, there is another area of value, that is there is a gap opening here. Before, this is a fake out to the upside. After this gap opening, and then gold came back down again, tested this area of value with multiple dodges, and finally broke down. Once to the market open, we have seen a bearish engulfer in this area of value, and after that gold back to back now dropping. This current 4-hour candle now is closing. So where we can find a trading opportunity with gold? Now if you see the new market structure with the gold, there is a impulse. This is the correction of this impulse with this green candle, and there has been another impulse. We see a breakdown. Now this is where we can find a trading opportunity with gold. Let's delete all of them. So what we see, that this is the nearest area of value where we can place a pending order with gold based on the price action confirmation. As you can see, in the past, the same level acted here as a strong level of support, went above. This is also a fake out, came down, created a consolidation, went above. Now this level can act as an important level of resistance, and this support should be tested as a resistance. As soon as the price will come back to test this previous support as resistance, on the retest, if we see enough price action confirmation, then we will consider going short with a gold with a high risk to reward ratio with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.